Hi everybody. Today I am here with a project in mind. I know what it is that I want to make. I may not know exactly how it's going to go, but I do know what I want the end product to be. And that is a party hat. Gel Press is celebrating 10,000 followers on Instagram. That's amazing. So I'm going to make a party hat. Now I want some gel prints for that hat, and like I said, I don't know exactly how my hat is going to look, but of course I'm going to use gel prints. So I have a general idea, and I'm taking this, it won't even fit in the screen, this large sheet of newsprint. I don't actually need the whole thing, but I'm going to gel print on the whole thing anyway, because I can always use the extra for something. So I'm going to gel print on one of these sheets, and then I'm also, sorry for the noise, I'm also going to gel print on 2 sheets of just regular cardstock. The brand I have there is Recollections that you get at Michael's. So I have 2 sheets of those. So first I'm going to start out by printing onto my huge sheet of paper. I have my 12 by 12 gel press plate, and I'm going to start with, I think, some yellow paint. I'm just using Liquitex Basics acrylic paint. And I'm not really caring how it looks because it's just one of the layers. So it's just to get some yellow on the paper. Next, I'm going to go in with some turquoise paint and a Crafter's Workshop stencil called Geo Netting. That's this one right here. It's very cool. Lay my stencil down. So I will be getting some positive and some negative prints. And I'm not even looking at where it's going because I'm just creating some interest on the paper. May look to see, put some anywhere else. So that's what we have so far. And then I'm going to lift the stencil and print some more. little hard working with the big sheet of paper. Have it. And that is it for that sheet. Now I'm going to do some printing on my two 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper. Okay, so for these sheets I'm going to go with, I think, pink and then coming into yellow. I'm just going to do a base layer first and then add some interest on top with some stencils. I need some scrap paper. Okay, let's see. I just realized I wanted to go this way. I like the look of that. Oh, and I'm getting some of the stencil that was there before. That was unintentional, but I still like it. So I have another sheet of paper, so I will do that again. Now keep in mind, I'm probably, most likely, not going to get the stencil print on this one because I don't see any left behind. There's no need to go over it that many times. I was just getting the majority of the paint off my gel plate and onto the back. And there we go. I love that little bit of grunge coming up there. The paint is a little thick there, so I'm just going to brayer that out. Now time for some stencils, which I have buried under my scrap paper. Here we go. So I have two Crafters Workshop stencils. One is Orb Mandala, and the other one is a smaller one, a 6x6, and it is called Explosion. So I'm gonna go in, excuse me, with some turquoise. I'm just going to take my paper. I think I'm going to go for the full thing on this one. So I'm thinking maybe this can be the front of the hat. Then I'm just going to pick up some on here. There we go. Just going to grab an extra piece of paper because I don't really need that print, but I don't want to waste it. I wasn't expecting a straight. I think I want to introduce another color, but I'm not sure what. I'm going to go in with a lighter, at least I think it's lighter, a lighter turquoise. We'll see if it turns out. Well, it may not be. If it doesn't turn out any lighter, it's okay because I'm okay with it being the same color. So again, we just have our prints, and you should know by now, just because the original is nothing to get too excited over, doesn't mean the end product's not going to turn out great. And that was just the extra one we got. And then this big one. So in part 2, I will show you what we're going to create with these, not that one, but with these prints.